friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead, and today's pantry pull meal is deconstructed cabbage rolls in the crock pot with sausage meat. Now, I only put a half a cup of rice in. I recommend that you up it to at least 3/4 if you're using fresh ingredients and frozen ingredients like the peppers and the onions. All right, here's your pantry pull meal of the week. All right, here is our pantry pull meal today. We have 3 sausage patties, some peppers, a half a cup of rice, a garden onion, and a jar of our cabbage and tomatoes. Now, first things first, because the sausage is rather dry, let me see if I can't. At first, I'm going to put a little bit of sauce of the tomatoes and stuff in the bottom because the sausage is really dry. And then we're just going to put our sausage patties on top. And then we're going to put our half a cup of rice. This is basmati. Handful of peppers. Now these were supposed to be Spanish onions, but I'm grateful I got any onion at all out of my garden, especially when I got the leeks. So we're just going to put these onion slices like this all over top here. And then we're just going to pour on the rest of our cabbage and tomatoes. And we're going to put this on low, and we're going to let it cook all day.
The zucchini contraption you're making now?
It's not zucchini. It's cabbage. It's deconstructed cabbage rolls, but I use sausage patties.
Oh.
And it looks like they turned out absolutely perfect. There's one of the sausage patties, and we can push that over to the side. How hungry are you?
Very hungry.
Let me see if I gave you 2. I just want to make sure I gave you... Oh, I think I gave you all 3 of the patties. No, there's mine. All right, we're going to pepper this and take it to Granddad. Here is deconstructed cabbage rolls, but I use sausage patties. Give it a different flavor.
Smells good.
And we're out of hamburger. Yeah, you probably just dug into a sausage patty. Young lady... There's your sausage. Yeah.
I'd need a knife. But...
No, you don't. No, not when it's cooked like that.
Mm. Awesome.
What about doo-doo? Well, you don't have to give her meat, but... Oh. Thank you, Daddy.
Awesome.
Thanks, honey. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying, there it is. Your pantry pull meal, deconstructed cabbage rolls with sausage meat. It makes a nice change. Mwah! Take care. God bless.